Hey all, Alex here with Tech Corner. I just received some new packages, so let's see what's in them. So we're going to start with the small one and go to the big one. Alright. Alright, so I just got the new AirPods Pro 3. So really excited about this. This has double the noise canceling. It has foam in the ear tips. It also has live translation, which I'm really excited about to use when I'm in Germany. So I'll write a review. I'll let you know how it is in Germany when I'm there. So let me go ahead and quickly open this. Easy pull tabs. This is one thing I love about Apple. Easy, no box cutters or anything needed in order to open this up. There we go. So we got a little bit of instruction manuals, just your basic stuff. Nothing too exciting. And here are the new AirPod Pros. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Let's see if I can just slide them out. There we go. All right, perfect. Then it also comes with quite a few different ear tips, as you can see here, which is really nice. So they've added a few extra ones, so definitely looking forward to that. But these are the AirPod Pros. And yeah, no actual connect. It's a touchpad here, and then there's a little, hidden thing where you can see the status light. And then USB-C connecting or wireless Qi as well. So we're gonna go ahead and put that off to the side for right now. And we're gonna go to our next thing. So let's see what the next thing is. So I just got the iPhone 17 Pro. So definitely excited about that. So let's go ahead and open this. Do our little peel here. Do our little peel. Open this up. And I have to admit, I definitely do like this orange color. Granted, I do wish it was a little bit of a copperish orange, but still this is a nice orange color. Better, at least it wasn't too pastel style. But yep, this is the iPhone 17 Pro. Let's see, this is kind of nice. It comes with a USB-C, but is braided, which is nice. So that's a nice little upgrade. My previous iPhone was an iPhone 15 Pro, so I'm definitely excited about this. Definitely using this. And then if we just put that in here, just really, they've reduced their instruction manual. One thing to note is if you're ever getting a new iPhone, there's a tips app, and I have a YouTube video which I will throw the link down below. It's really great in order to learn how to use your device and all the new features of your device. So that is my unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro and the AirPod Pro 3.